Okay, we're going to show you how to remove and replace the lever. So you simply remove the two screws here in the top cover. And be careful when you pull this off. There's a spring washer right here you need to remove and save. And then you want to unplug the two wires from the connector there. And typically you can just pull those straight out. Oh, that one again. Okay. The handle pivots on this point here, and normally this will come off, and when you put it all back together, you need to push. This is spring loaded here. Push that down and get that between on the pivot point here, and then these two spring loaded parts, and then you simply plug this back in. Plug your new lever back in. Make sure it's seated well. There's little locking tabs on it. You need to line those. And then these connectors actually go into a opening down in the unit itself. You need to push those back in. That one doesn't want to go. And that's probably the hardest part, just getting those back in. Then again, this pushes down on the spring-loaded piece here. If this spring-loaded piece comes out, there's just a simple compression spring here. You just put that assembly back together just the way it is there. But anyway, you just push that down in, that seats it on that rod. Put the spring washer on, and put the outer cover back on. Insert the two screws. Done.